Last night, I woke up from a beautiful dream. I was in paradise, a true paradise that still exists on this earth. It was more than a place with pristine blue water and white sand. It was a place where time didn't exist. A place where I felt tiny, peaceful and free. Where I could walk barefoot and breathe deeply. A place where I could feel even the tiniest breeze on my skin. Where the scent of nature soothed me. A warm place bathed with smiles and sunshine. A place where I felt connected, where I felt alive. A place I didn't want to wake up from.